What's good, YouTube? This your boy Chi World back at y'all again with another art video, man. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, make sure you click post notifications so you will be notified every time your boy drops some heat. I know it's been a while since I dropped a video, so I decided, man, let me get up off my ass and drop you guys a video. If you want more videos, you want more content, all you gotta do for me is hit that like button and leave comments in the comment section, man. Tell me what y'all want to see. Tell me, just give me some feedback. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this channel back. Let's get the channel back active, man. You feel me? Oh my goddamn! I just lost my pen, bro. I just had it. You know what? Today, since I just walked out with my pen and I don't want to look for it, we finna do a video on how to draw using your mouse. Since I ain't did one in so long, maybe y'all would want to see that. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create a new artboard, 18 by 18 inches. If you wanted to know what size I like to draw on, the reason I like to draw on 18 by 18 inches because it fits perfectly inside of Instagram. That's why I draw on 18 by 18 inches, you feel me? So we're gonna pull this up. Okay, when you drawing with your mouse, I ain't did this in so long because I don't have to use my mouse, but first thing you wanna do is create the art brush. So let's come right here. Let's move this color black to the top. Let's go to our ellipse tool, circle tool, that's what I say. Look, you gotta do is stretch it out till we got these little sharp looking points like this. And this how I be making mine, bro. Just stretch it out till it looks something like this. So it can have like a thick center, but then in the corners, it'll have like a sharp point. That's why I just drag this over tool out, because it give me that effect. While you got it highlighted, what you do is you go up here, you click this drop down menu on basic, then you go to new brush, then you go to I think it's art brush. I ain't did this in so long. Okay, and hit OK. And then you just want to click OK. And then when you come to your brush, look what you got. We go to our brush. We got the brush we just created. You feel me? Now I'm gonna teach you how to control this brush. You see how if you try to draw like any kind of smooth line that's kind of jittery. Oh dang, okay, that was clean as all I do. Anytime you need help with making cleaner lines, all you gotta do, just like this, double click your brush, and then you move your smoothness up. You just move it up this way. You know what I'm saying? Or this way. It's one of the ways. You'll figure out which way that'll help you. I forgot which way you're supposed to move it. One way is for you to have more control, and then the other way is for the computer to have more control so they can make the corrections in your lines that have imperfections. You know what I'm saying? So let's draw something, man. I might make this part like a time lapse, because this gonna be like the boring part, but I am using my mouse, so don't think I'm cheating. I'm just gonna speed it up so it'll look cool. So start with the eye. And look, I want to make these lines a little more smooth. I think we move it this way. Let's see. Nah, it's the other way. It's this way. Also, I like to use my pencil tool to do like fill-in colors. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. Let's move this color black to the top. Go to this pencil tool. Double click your pencil tool. Make sure your settings inside of the pencil tool look just like this. You wanna hit OK. And I'm gonna do the eyebrows. You see how I'm just creating a path? And it's gonna fill it in just like that. You feel me? On this side. I'm using my mouse, y'all. Okay, well, that's pretty straight. Go back to our brush tool. Let's create the shape of the head. Do it just like this. Hey. We'll create the ear. Just like that. Then you know what? To keep this ear on point, we're just gonna copy this ear by holding Alt. Then we're gonna right click the ear. Let's go to reflect. Okay, after we hit reflect, we're gonna drag it up a little bit, just like this. Gonna be in this top part, so it'll just come over some, just like that. Bam. We got a little ear going on, you feel me? So if you was thinking you can't do nothing, but you ain't got no digital art tablet, cut it out, bro. You feel me? You just gotta use what you got, man. So let me see, put a little effect inside the ear like this. Let's see. I'm gonna bring this just like that. And if I wanted to make these lines a little smaller inside the ear, all I gotta do is make the brush size smaller. That's it. See? See how it look neater? So all you do, you just make your brush size smaller. It's a little quick little tutorial for you guys. Alright, let's do this hairline. So we're gonna boop boop. Boop boop. Bring this over. Like that. Like that. Let me go back to this. Create like a little box. Wow. Go back to my pencil tool, move this color to the top. And we're gonna go down. Do that like that. Let's go ahead and fill in this hair too with the pencil tool. Bring this over. Connect my line. Like that. We're gonna come right here and fill all this in. See, I done got so comfortable using my mouse. Move a little quicker, you feel me? Alright, bring this down. There you have it, you feel me? Let's merge all this together to make this one layer. Expand. Bring that together like that. Know what I'm saying? And that's how you draw. Using your mouse, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Drop some comments in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. More heat and tutorials coming soon. And I'm out this thing.